Alright you guys, so I just came out the shower. My hair is divided into 4 sections like I always do. The other products are still in the bathroom, but I will be using Uncle Funky's Daughter Curl Magic along with Innersense I Create Hold. Now, I have never used these two products before, ever. Not separately, not together, I've never used them. But, you know, the people on TikTok, the girlies on TikTok University were saying like, yo, these two products combined are amazing. So I figured, let me go ahead and try it. Yo, I did wash my hair with Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint collection, and I used a deep conditioner. So a quick review of those two products. They were okay. So it's hard for me to make a full review because one, my hair was very damaged, it was very dry, and it did have a lot going on. So I noticed that when you do have a proper routine, like your hair does better with products because it's moisture trained. It's trained to obtain the moisture, is trained to, you know, be able to use these products to the fullest ability. My hair at that state was not like that, so it's hard for me to say the line was bad or the line was good. It was okay. It's one of those things where I will have to use it again consistently to see if it is repairing my hair. So I am going to start washing my hair every 5 days or every 6 days to see if I do see a difference with using those products. The shampoo was good. It did, you know, make sure everything was cleansed and everything. My hair did feel stripped, but it is a cleansing shampoo, so what did I expect? And there are cleansing shampoos that do not strip your hair, but this one, my hair did feel a little stripped. The conditioner, I assumed because the shampoo was so concentrated on cleansing the hair or cleansing the scalp, that the conditioner would have combated with like so much moisture, just so much hydration, and I personally did not get that. I did sit under the dryer for about 30 to 40 minutes, and I didn't tell a difference. So I know that if your shampoo and conditioning process is not the best, it will affect the end result of your hair. I did have to use a lot of their leave-in conditioner. I used the obviously pomegranate honey leave-in conditioner, chef's kiss, but I had to use a lot of it so my hair could feel somewhat, you know, conditioned. So it was okay. It was okay. I'm gonna keep using it to see, build up this routine to see, you know, where it goes. Now these two products are botanical gels. All right, I saw on TikTok, you know, two botanical gels are amazing. I didn't even know the difference between botanical and non-botanical, and I don't even know if I'm saying that word correctly, but here is a quick definition of what it is so you can be more informed than I was. Hey guys, I figured a voiceover would be a little bit better so the video can continue to move. So starting off with botanical styling gels. A botanical styling gel is a hair product that contains natural ingredients derived from plants. These ingredients are typically extracted from botanical sources such as flowers, herbs, fruits, or seeds. On the other hand, non-botanical styling gels are styling gels for hair products that do not contain primary natural plant-derived ingredients. They include synthetic compounds, chemicals, or artificial ingredients. So the girlies on TikTok said that I should use this one first and then top it with this one and make sure that your hair is dripping wet. All right, so this is my hot water, and we're gonna go ahead and get started to see how it goes. Is it focusing? If you do not know, I like to start from the back moving forward. All right, I'm so nervous. Oh my word. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully you work, like for real, because girl, we need you to work. Now I did put so much leave-in conditioner in it, so I feel like that will pose a problem. Okay, here we go. All right, try Uncle Funky's first. All right. Smells good. Let's move it out the way. So it's crazy because I've used gels like this before where like I'm not getting a hold. Like right now, I'm not getting a hold. It's okay, but I'm not getting that hold that I want, right? So I think that's when you top it with, you know, for $26, I shouldn't have to.
24 hours later.
All right. Jesus, we got it. All right. Okay. Oh, that's okay. So, like I said, I've been using the non-botanical styling gels, right? So I'm used to like a hard hold. That's what I'm used to, and that's what I like, a hard hold. This is not really giving me that. This is a consistency, by the way. You cannot see it. It is a clear gel. Well, it's kind of doing something. It's okay. So I know on camera, you're like, Amber, well, what's the problem? It looks fine. I have to remember, Amber, your hair is not as healthy as it used to be. They look pretty good, and I did clip my ends before this, or I attempted to. So I'm not mad at this. I don't think I'm mad at this. I don't think so. Okay, little Uncle Funkies. Okay. A little bit of incense. You can see it. Looks kind of good. You know what? This is making me question a lot of things because I tried Curlsmith styling gel and it had the same consistency of this, and I was so mad because I'm like, it's not working. Excuse me, this is a terrible gel. It is awful. It's not holding anything. But maybe I just need to pair it with something harder to make it glorious. You learn something new every day. Like, I feel like my curls are supposed to look like this. Like, I'm not upset with this. Okay, so we gonna keep going. I am thoroughly impressed, like, y'all. Like, it's crazy because I remember before I tried the shampoo and everything, I was like, this is gonna be a good wash and go. It gotta be a good wash and go. And y'all, the curls are curling. Okay, y'all. This is the day after. I'm gonna keep shaking my head so y'all can see the bossy, the moisture. Let me zoom in real quick. All right. Do you see the body? Y'all, I was so nervous about tying it up. I did do a little swoopy swoop on my edges, little swoopy swoop, little slide. I was so nervous about tying it up because I was like, bro, I do not want to mess it up. But it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Like, I think we have a routine, y'all. Like, I think we have a routine now. I think like this is like my routine. If I keep doing this like every week, putting the Mielle drops are in the other room. If I put the drops in there and just keep doing this every week, I think I'll see like growth. And before someone says, oh, well, you just think you found the cure to growth. No, I just feel like if you have a moisture trained routine consistently and don't sway from that, I think excuse me, that's how achieving growth and length and retention on your hair is going to happen. And obviously I need to get my ends clipped. I clipped them, like I said, yesterday a little bit, but I think once I have this regimen, I think this is it. Like, I'm so happy right now. 10 out of 10 recommend. All right, 10 out of 10 recommends. We are here for it. So that is all the time I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. All the product descriptions and details will be in the description below. Thank you again for watching. Be sure to like, share, and comment. God bless you. Peace.